Kia ora koutou, nau mai hara mai ki te reo Puāwai Māori. Ko Gemma Stewart tōku ingoa, tō au tō koutou kaiako I tēnei wā. Kia ora everyone and welcome to Te Reo Puāwai Māori. My name is Gemma Stewart and I'll be your teacher during this course. This course is designed for anyone who's wanting to upskill themselves in Te Reo Māori. We have specifically designed this course for educators who are wanting to use more te reo in their education context. However, we can be adaptable and work with you on what you need. There are 7 modules throughout the course, and at the start and at the end we meet together as a group for a full face-to-face hui. At these hui, we make sure that you are best prepared for the course, and we also celebrate all the hard work that you have done. Throughout the course, we run live online classrooms. We have support forums within your Moodle course. We're available by phone or by email, and I work with plenty of amazing people who, if I don't know the answer, I can certainly find it for you. So there is plenty of support. We want you guys to get what you need out of it, and we want you to have the best possible experience. I just want to give you all a big mihi for taking this step into upskilling yourselves and for the increased opportunities that you will be able to provide for whatever students or people you have around you. I hope you enjoy the course. I'm sure you will. Kia kaha, kia maia, kia manawa nui.